Hey guys, it's Eric RPG, and it's been a while, but I'm finally back with Holy Umbrella. And last time we went to the last episode. We went to Dundera's castle, and we finally took care of business there. But the game's not over yet, so we have to chase after Dundera, and now we have to go to Tritol, the desert village. It's gonna be a rather short episode today, but that's okay. Just gonna do some basic exploring. There's nothing everywhere. So water scarce, of course. The inventor Grandma Mustin. Royal tomb, huh? So we'll go visit the church then. Cloud umbrella. Woo, yay! Hope has a better ability. Alright. I'm done exploring. I'm just gonna go straight for the treasure. I'm not gonna stop talking to people though. A rainbow orb. Lady next house. Talk to her. So we gotta go to an adventure, I guess. Get out of the way. Nothing, once again. Of course. The one thing we need is an tomb. Well, we're gonna try going there anyway. There's apparently a treasure chest in here. Gonna explore every corner of this house then. There it is. I almost didn't see it. So, what am I gonna do with this bottle? Let's see. Probably gonna buy another FlexiMed. That would help. Nah, I'll get poison cure. A walking brooch. Mustin. Some discovery. Yay, extra defense. Oh well, I just took it. Whoa. He's calling me a crew cut. Only, I wish that indication was a little bit more thorough, because some of them are actually hidden. The damage zones, yay! No more damage zones. Alright. Whoops, I actually forgot about something. Forgot to stock up. There we go. Oh, we're gonna check out the tomb anyway. The light will show you the way. I guess we can't just leave normal way. Gonna have to use the jewel. So we'll just go to the Oasis since it's the only other place we can go. It looks like it's a much better version of the water umbrella. Whoa, birds. Aha! That was a short little area. Now we're in the Oasis. Number one pupil, huh? So we found some money. Yay, there was a chest there. So we have more health now. A lot of machinery. Wow, toilet contains money. It's a new invention, the light of brilliance. You have to pass the test, huh? Sit on the machine. No, I don't know about that. Looks like an elevator. First question. What was the first item you received in this world? Oh boy. This is the jewel, I think. What is the name of the planet's helper? One became Emperor Dondara. Kern. This is the third question. Yay! He's gonna warp me there? Really? Oh, I suppose I could rest up. Alright, we're probably going to end the episode here. Now we can go to the Prince's Tomb. And I think we're going to do a very extra long video next time. And we're going to finish the game. Because that's all that's pretty much left after the tomb. So yeah, I'm going to go for length in the next episode. So now we're ready to the Royal Tomb, but I think that's it for recording. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and hope you're back for more. So see you later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, it's Eric RPG, and I'm back. And I was thinking about maybe, well, if you see this video, you'll know it's I was thinking about putting the last video I had together with this one, because the last one was kind of short. But if you're obviously watching this and then I've done that, then, well, now you know. That's what happened. And that's why there's a disconnect in between this video and the next one. Or the last one. But anyways, we're going to Prince's Tomb. And we're going to get the rainbow umbrella, finally. The last umbrella. Oh, right, I kind of forgot. We probably need you, don't we? Oh, we have to actually equip it. Oh dear. Oh, it can be any character we want, basically. Yeah, I don't want to go over there just yet. There's probably an item around here. Yeah, I knew that. The Strength Orb! Trying to make sure I don't miss anything. Just maps, making absolutely certain. And what a maze. Of course they have to make it a maze. Ah. An attack point. Oh dear. We're looking for the walking brooch. Giving me a lot of coins at least, so this is a good place to grind for coins. Well, the brooch is obviously on the screen, I just don't know where. Oh dear, I'm lost. I wonder where it is. Let's double back. It's probably all the way up there. I'm gonna go back the way I came. Should give me a way back up here. Ah, we're making progress. Aha! Sounds like it's over, all the way over here. This is difficult. It's not up there. I'm just gonna keep going. I think I need to go back, actually. Let's go back to the beginning. I'll retrace my steps. Alright, we got that. I'll go back to the beginning if I have to. Oh, that's a treasure I've never gotten before. I wish I had a map or something. Oh dear. Getting lost in a maze. It's absolutely pitiful. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep moving forward. Alright. I kinda give up on this place. I can get through this place without the brooch. I can always pick it up later. After I figure out how the hell to get over there. I can always take damage. I don't care. I'll go back to this level and I'll tell you where it is. How's that? Let me guess, this is the Darndara Sphinx. Yep, Darndara Sphinx. Crazy wackos. Well, not the umbrella, but the orb. We can find the umbrella later. Oh, it's boss fight time. Yay. How do we fight this thing? Oh, don't tell me we need the walking. Yeah, I have a feeling we have to climb up, hit its head, because we can't quite reach it. I think I screwed up. Yeah, I think I screwed up. Oh well. Guess I have to do it now! I need to recharge though. Otherwise I can't beat the boss. Probably. No, I will not be staying. Yes, actually I will be. I have to go through that section again. That's gonna be fun. That was bullshit. There we go. Oh, you have to turn it on. That's stupid. I'm gonna be reading this guide carefully. Okay, that's where the heart was. Okay, it wants me to drop through the floor here. Drop through second level. Go left through a couple areas. I'm giving you guys instructions so you don't get stuck like I did. And we got that chest. Okay. This is where I got lost. Okay, climbing down a ladder. Okay. Go left a couple areas. Double jump to a high ledge. Okay. I think this is where I got knocked up. Okay. Climb a ladder. Let's see. Go left, and then up at the second ladder. Then it says go right, then double jump or float. Ah, this is how I screwed up. I screwed up by doing this. That's where it was. Tricky game. Yay, now I can just blast through that area. Probably still isn't going to tell me how to beat the boss, so I'm going to look that up real quick. Wait till I get there, though. See? No hurty! Although, those guys still hurt. Although, I guess if you're doing a speedrun, you don't care about the walking brooch. Damn it, I got hit by poison. Oh, spikes still hurt you. Ceiling spikes. That's kind of bullcrap. Alright, let's refight this boss. Well, no, that's not how we fight it. I'm gonna look that up real quick. Hold on. just wanted to take care of that noise. Ah! That's how you beat it. Come on, boss. Gotcha. I know I had to hit him then, but I don't know why my hit detection only has to be pixel perfect like that. That's weird. The rainbow orb, finally! Yeah! Emperor Dundara must be terrified. Alright. So we're gonna restock. We're gonna get 4 health bars. Or, not bars, but 4 full meds. To replace the antidote I took, because I don't think I'll need an antidote in the future. Somebody just tells me about that. Oh no! A barrier! Guess gotta go to the Sagittal Castle. Actually, I think 1 crystal and 3 health fill-ups are probably more than enough. So, I think I'll just restock that poison. I might get poisoned at the final battle, or somewhere before the final battle. Keylorn's found a tablet. Oh wow. The Rainbow Umbrella! Alright. So when we know what we've got to do, we gotta save and then call it a video. Sorry it took so long, guys. I got lost. I didn't realize it was right in front of me. That's how it always works, though, doesn't it? No, not these things. It's much cheaper here. Then again, we're in Sagittal. Alright, we're going to Sagittal Castle next time on Holy Umbrella. See you guys later. Bye-bye.